Okay, number 33. The graph of x squared was transformed to create the graph g of x, which is equal to f of x minus 9. So which statement about the graph is true? So what we ended up doing here is that we're subtracting 9 from the quadratic equation. So it's the same thing as saying x squared minus 9. So what we're doing is that we are going down, we're shifting down by 9. So the only one that would make sense in this situation would be that the y-intercept of the graph is of g is 9 units below the y-intercept of the graph f. Because in a graph, if we have our parent function of f and we are going down to 9, that's what we just did. Okay, the next thing, so the answer right here is D. So the next one is 34, and it says the expression x to the power of 22 times x to the power of 7 to the third power is equivalent to x of p. So what is the value of p? So what we're doing here is that we're using our properties of exponents again. We're doing power of a power and we're doing product of powers. So what we have here first is that we're going to do the power of a power. That means we're going to multiply 7 and 3 because we're raising x to the power of 7 by 3. So 7 times 3 means we're going to have x to the power of 22, and then 7 times 3, which is x to the power of 21. Now we're going to use our product of powers, which means that if we have the same base, so in this case the base is x, that means that we are going to add the exponents. So x to the power of 22 times x to the power of 21 means that we're going to add 22 and 21. So 22 plus 21, 22 plus 21 is equal to 43. So our final answer is x to the power of 43. So the value of p would be our exponent, so 43 is what we would put in the griddable. And up here we would put a positive, and then 43. So we add a 4 and a 3.